Refuge that you people, one common purpose, one common issue, and one common direction, more or less. United Democratic Party has never been a party where rampant, petty rival, and anybody. We have come this far because the party of the Ethiopian campaign more than majority. If you can imagine somebody like if you can imagine somebody like they can talk to me without looking in my eyes. So what? And we should accommodate it about the views to our different views. But those different views must not let us put the party in this image. After all, unity will not stop here. After all, unity can be. Total intimidation even financial certificates that they remain united against the common enemy and also for a common object. In fact, our unity was not more against an enemy, but we never had enemies, had rivals. And our unity has never been against rivals. Our unity has always been the objective, the values of the party, when they are united together. And that values, that is what we must continue to cherish. And that those values never continue to if you remember, somebody like Musa Sisi in France, among us, I broke working and retired, and he devoted his whole time. You remember somebody like Jacob Koué? I am from the United Democratic Party. Why? I finished the Bangkok. I'm a left man. And the son of the Bangkok, member Bangkok and Menso Bodino Jeto, one of the United Democratic Party, one of the United Democratic Party. Yajamia Kaili, Kadanakuba Kasaba, and Kafa, I'm a success. Yajamia Karele, Kamani Sakada, Kakana, Kasaba Fakana, I'm a success. Ayakatale, Kanimuso, Majija Mubani, Kasaba Fantan, I'm a successful for being. Why? Because they have come from Yaka. Teben campaign, when they have the United Democratic Party, not Teben campaign, when they have the folks like Karamo Fati, a soldier, humiliation, a soldier, Karamo Fati, who obey because Moya has a standing in Ghana countries. He has a history, a pedigree in Ghana countries. But he couldn't have been the America. And I got two UDP. Tonya, Alan Tekele, leader of the United Democratic Party. But Nico Fadiaka, Karamo Fati, look at it. Now, Kanafan Dana Kafka unity is our strength. We must believe Kafka unity is our strength. If we believe Kafka unity is our strength, then we will remain united and we will remain focused. We will not allow Fem Fenda Son and Fem Fenda, Mayano Kafka, and Ben Damno Tema, Nakaskari. The Son of Fenda, Mayano Kafka, Abel Kafka, Ajayamuna Munjawal, or Ajayamuna Mamma Kappa, Amasan Mata. Therefore, you have to remember, God sacrificed $12 for their being in those days. From the time Pationi was in his formative stages, 23rd, Yomi Chata just reminded us, Kabako in about 15 days time, 19 days time. We will be celebrating Party Union 28th anniversary, the founding of the party, 25 August 1996. That was a future. Nobody was certain about the viability of the party because of the situation that prevailed in our country. People thought that the party was just being registered for the formality of having to register and then going through the motions of elections without really believing in our ideas. Really, the great sacrifices done that for most of our people, most of the people for the betterment of the country. See, I have some photographs of Ahmad Saleh. When I look at them, September 2026, when he was hounded by general terror groups, and a young boy, the OIC, taking from government, severely tortured, denied them their rights to vote. And when I look at the photographs and see the sacrifice that these people have made, should there be anyone in the Gambia, I wouldn't say in that, should there be anyone in the Gambia to doubt how the United Democratic Party stands for peace? Should there be anyone in the Gambia to doubt how we have people in the United Democratic Party who want to get Gambia to a position other than in what it is today? He sacrificed, he endured torture. Better not on television. In September, that was again in September 2013, when he was paraded before the television. I was then in Maryland, and I saw my brother on the television. I break down, I cried, because I thought that he was going to that contract. He was auditioning, he was and all that is the result of the torture made it out. Should we now really discard those sacrifices and then be guided by our petty rivalries? We shouldn't allow that. In fact, there are no rivalries in the camp. I don't think there are any rivalries amongst us. What I have said yesterday, that our enemies, our opponents, they really fail these things. And let us believe there is that group, there is that group, and there is that camp, when there are no camps in the United and that United Democratic Party is what I lead. That United Democratic Party is what will be led by somebody else in 2030, other than the citizen. We will continue to maintain, to be proper for the attainment of vision of the party. But therefore, I think there is responsibility. Some time ago, before it was about 2018, 2019, the court therefore has done a lot to salvage the Gambia from the dictatorship. And we are supposed to continue to understand by the Gambia. But neither the cracks in the body politics of the Gambia is being got by the Gambia. Or Kampala will be taken that for a Gambia, because the great majority of the Gambian people, whether it belongs to the United Democratic Party or it belongs to another party, is that more will be in the dialogue than this is today. And more will be in the dialogue, share their opinions. If people in the diaspora start giving to people back home in the Gambia conflicting positions, that is going to lead to disunity, not only in the Gambia, but also within political parties in the Gambia. So, we want to continue to be proud of you. And I'm sure you will do everything for it, make us to continue to be proud of you. But you must also help us in maintaining unity between our parties. And this comes from a sort of messaging. We should hear our message. What messages we choose out to the public. Not only to the Democratic, but to the public. Our messages should always be one of unity. Our message should always be one of brotherhood. Our message should be one of sincerity to ourselves. Okay, really, we will achieve our objective. And our message will also help us to win or lose our elections. Let's be frank about it. When you pick up Ahmad Sani, you mention Ahmad Sani by name, and you say all sorts of horrible things about Ahmad Sani. You insult him, his father. And Ahmad Sani really has a following of 3,000 people. What do you expect? He tells them that these people are not respect. Don't give them get about it. You, United Democratic Party, followers, particularly those in diaspora, those in the media community, avoid insulting anyone, avoid caricaturing people. Of course, in politics you can diss each other, but that is dissing each other. Does not have to be. So there was a big discussion. So I asked all of you to follow some Malta. The message is come on the 5-point agenda. To advance dollar, to advance more can put it. Back up the more covered level. The more follow, they are not come for media. Nina kumoninya, nina kumoninya tete watu. Aina na kaja ya watu. Akamona katlo tintinya di mana. So bada. Atende yang kamu alkam audio sudah in the phone in the various social media platforms. Bukan bem falana. Mota mo forces no. Ai kamu. Baru mau semua ni no. Ai kamu. Jadi orang saya berkata, pernah tak kabar tu, kalau kita tidak apa pun tidak, lalu mana? So I ask you all, attend the meeting. Kalau mana kita bukan, anda nak apa pun fokus. Kalau kita nak pun fokus dalam mana? Kalau nak apa pun mana sama. Kalau important. Dia mana mereka jawab, ya kenal, imani, tidak boleh punya. Tapi kadang paling important itu, anime, registration final, supplemental registration. Nimble yano, yata kami register. That is to say, nada ko the constitution. Draft constitution is not adopted and presented to a referendum before the end of this year. No one can do there are normal of people. Yes, that are back of the libraries. About an important document as the constitution. It will introduce love. Just about halfway in 2025 when we have elections in 2026 at the Kenya. Although it's impermanent to go back to register if the constitution is not adopted. And I believe our constitution will be adopted. But now that many of them are already registered in the Gambia, please make it your duty, make it your responsibility to go to Gambia and cast your vote in the Gambia. So that you will not be there only to cast your vote, but you will also be there to do service for the country and party. You will serve as our polling agent. You will serve as our counting agent. You will also take part in the campaign. So to carry back and can also cast their votes. But as important as it is, for diaspora voting system, for our people to be enjoy the franchise, as important as that is, recruitment of our diaspora, Gambian diaspora, into the membership of the UDP, and is very crucial. Because if you have a franchise is extended to the Gambian diaspora, but you have not been able to mobilize the people to vote for you, then an extension to the diaspora is of no value to the United Democratic Party. So I ask all of you attention every day. And the chairperson of the outreach committee, Ambassador, former Ambassador General, so Benagra to recruit as many Ghanaians into the fold of the United Democratic Party who are resident in the diaspora. I know there are several thousands of Gambians, residents in the diaspora, who are not members of the United Democratic Party, and you need to get them to be members of the United Democratic Party. I do not say that they belong to that party, but I say that they belong now to the United Democratic Party. If, and this is the reality, if you look in this hall, how many people do you see here? Who say me? I don't think you right. We have to go out. The diversity that we talk about, we have to really go out. Get them, as has been done back home. The outreach program that we have started in the New Mexico, very successful and brought in a huge number of people from other ethnic groups into the United Democratic Party. That is it is not sufficient for us to pride ourselves to say that look, the body school. And then say that the body school with only one group of people. That is not reflecting diversity. That me, social media, which I hate very much. Because in all my life, I've been thinking Gambian, I've always been Gambian, and I've always promoted Gambian. So let us go out. As a gentleman, you are not out to keep. You must make sure that you recruit as many other members of other ethnic groups into the party. I was glad yesterday when Makanso alluded to what he had been doing, which has been very productive, but his target how he goes back home in the Gambia. And I'm saying that the target should not only be goes back home in the Gambia, but I never can have the medal of in the diaspora. But they will get back to so that these two ways, the franchise is extended to the Gambia, when the vote was due to be accounted, we are 96% ahead of So, outreach and another. And I want to encourage again, young Mr. This was a continuous activity, the fundraising was a continuous. And that is why we have brought along the Little Yellow Book. And the Little Yellow Book is a small, it's a Little Yellow Book of a few pages, but it's a few pages of our thoughts. And every chapter of it, really, you can develop it into patriotism. You can expand on it and but you just ask the answers of what we expect. What we expect of our youth, what we expect of our women, in fact, of what we expect of Gambians in general. So this is the Butler Al-Bulijado, Chairman, Diaspora, you and your group are leading this to market it so that our fundraising efforts, we will continue with our fundraising efforts, and by 2026, I think we should be sufficiently resourced for the election conduct with ease, and then we conduct with ease and get our victory. Now, getting the victory is one thing, but protecting the integrity of the voters are another. And that is why attainment by the diaspora is still no. It should be more than that. And just putting up on the ideas that come from you people to us, will be of great value to us in every aspect of our political activity. So we are not, shielding ourselves from receiving ideas from anybody. And I want to say, I want to assure everybody that they have always believed that ethnic your views, they might be different from mine. And I try to convince you that all of the views is so that I always try to accept myself. And this was very understanding. Then okay, I think the salary through the salary through left. Now, the financial contributions and the unity about left all of us may have to be united. Left and you believe in a poor. No one will talk, get in young, get to the and I'm saying this particularly with reference to our elected leaders. You cannot say Hosanna, 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 and then turn around and say crucify them, crucify them. And I think this we applaud in the Brother and in the because we have done this, we are grateful, and then turn around again and make statement that is suggesting that they are not fit to be elected and they are elected representatives. You can engage them. Because you have their numbers. Engage them. Talk to them. But you cannot go on the podium, and then castigate them. And then the next day, you can say, oh, you are six. That's it. You cannot create fire system. You have to give us fire and then put him on the cross. And then you cannot do that. We must, internationally, in the elected leaders, we should be put first, we should put rings around them, protect them, defensive them. Which party? Money. I don't think you do it. And I have to say anything against it. After all, those who make vehicles they are members. They are beneficiaries of the Somali economy. NPP. It's our NPP in NRP. What the guy all of that is UDP. I agree, we are the consensus of it. And we must really project that we are the consensus. But that does not mean that we should put our elected officers in a position where we say, don't elect them, they are not fit for that. What do we do? Safero Kede, Safero Bediale, Kapumo, let us be careful. And that is also part of our message. It's part of our message. And we can not really exhaust everything. But one thing I want to say is that therefore you are an important factor in the life of our party. And you must really do everything. The cohesiveness, member table, and the other couple were treated. Alkana Puget, may I look up for Abe Ndamano, I was a little bit surprised. Because this government is not about flag bearers. It's not about flag bearers. This government is about what we have done in the past few days, celebrating ourselves. And one continue to celebrate ourselves. We want to keep on encouraging ourselves to do what we have done in these past few months. Because this didn't start yesterday. We just saw the culmination yesterday. The fruits that this arrangement work, that is what we saw yesterday and we did. And we want to make sure that nothing happens. Wherever it might be, from November, I think it's going to be in December. Better than me. That's also but if we continue to be rambling about nothing, I have always said, go be interim leader of the United Democratic Party. And until such time, when I do not subscribe to this thing, Kavako, Momaniana, Idamana, I don't subscribe. Did I have a Kavako? Look at that better job. Now, it's an application. The selection committee. For now, Mamma, because the United Democratic Party in the way starting from Alaji Musa, Mayor of P, Adela Musa, Kepunda, Adela in the leadership hierarchy, Kada Ajiskana, Mayor of Telesiata, Beti in the particular leadership hierarchy. They Kadiabu with one first. To go to the last person, nominated members of National Executive Party, but they are not elected, they in country. For country nominated, member United Democratic Party, member Table Country Sabatland. Member unity ensures in the party, better protocol, and there is no exception of that in the United Democratic Party. So today, under the benefit organization, with just one objective, and that objective is that we are going out. 2026, we are going to defeat Adama Barrow and Mr. And one thing, what about NPP, UDP, no. NPP alone, in a particular about 16 other people. That was campaign. One word. So you want the against all the UDP. So imagine, what happened in KMC? What happened in Banjul? What happened in West Coast? What happened? Because in the of Tanjoma, or what they found, it had a person more lonely, KMC, a person more lonely, Banjul, a person more lonely, we are defeated masters. Then we come at area council. If the election results of 2013, of 2021 were true, then UDP councillors, number of councillors, had to become a council, would have been found. But because we went head on 1-to-1 NPP, 1-to-1 APRP, 1-to-1 local alliance, and also, in National Assembly elections, when we reflect, is that NPP in Banjul, they lost disgracefully in Banjul. They lost successfully in West Coast Region. So UDP NPP dama zibute chapters in 26. Siaka, because now we say now we Brahma Deva, you get the job. You can get something Siaka, you will fetch up. Why? Low terror. New York on the first chapter in the United States. The nominal, if I go back to the family, for 1997, work on the amount of about $6,000. John will pay the difference. You will be of the Lord will continue. Then you put an chapter in the United States of America. I'm in chapters in Europe. The day you come to that United States. So what I'm not going to find, David, unity from the unity for that, Lord, your cause for our Sahara. Next one name, Ken, Dubu Switzerland. I'm just going to name National Green Time. Then we get every day you deliver by nothing on that, then one practicing now. You go someday, you go swing money, or at least you can let you know young people. You practice now. Till you know what the German is, you spiritual pattern. One is important. Sri Halade, Amasani, and Koga. Syria Sani, I had a double. Here could have a Tiaga, down Bible. Because of America, Manana, the Bible, popularly. Those sacrifices, those never as our folk. You have the glory to be. When I know the people, no, say sacrifices, no. You may need Sarapunas, you may never put that up. Please sacrifice. Please sacrifice. No, that you need to know. No, do tell. So you say, you need to know. Please sacrifice. No, the Mamma, no, Jana, Yasari Maka. What is it? No, twice. Your cousin. Your cousin. It's not constitutional right. So, you will make sacrifices. As our brother, as our boy, or how the boy were die. They fought. They did not have what we say we don't have to see. Severe fatigue. They fatigue. They don't have any no one who does fight. This day, very disgusting. You learn more than just was going to do when 2026, the next one day, when we pick us, the time of them castle, twice, I'm not going to do. And the only way that happens is we must make sure that I'm a change of government with animal government. Otherwise, every Sunday, last Sunday, so my girl, you know, I'm about you get the old doctor to government for that. Deliver the one about Jaya Jari, Lord White, don't die, and the Dahan again, there because support. The budget comes from it package, there because support. In fact, we want them white. Public order as the government, section 5 and section 6, the order is the common. You are completely. When I'm about to find out that data, we were here. You were here. 3 years, and I go to that. Leave there. 3 years total. Where is somebody now? The blue one will open in the 3 years. But I'm about to then the threat is easy of your country. They saw the definitely like how long they could have leaded and the customer. di leen def doo xam ne amical ak loolu de la di Gambia si loolu is a really big disappointment. lii moo war yéen Gambien si ba nee naa kii Adama Barrow. After all, su fekkee constitution bi amul tout temps limit by the ECOWAS protocol on democracy and good governance, et puis they subscribe to that. So the Adama Barrow, single obligations at international law, parallel, topal. Now you sa bande rek no wara fi pour que li nga ko ci suñu la therefore what do you call it therefore what te dama war li ma mooy ne ci suñu bi ci sama ci suñu la waaye nag kees yi la ko wax mu bi wane na ne customary international law na apply for xam ne suñu Gambian law si activité te lii international law lu tax Adama Barrow di wax ne two times or third time bu ko bàyyi dina aji su tamit foog naa loo xam ne dafay isi kilifa dana xool li jóge waxaane ne leen lii mooy situation waaye nag da ciy tànn boo ma ne Gambien si léegi ragal na at least xam naa ne Amam Sane ragal na parce que dem na boo xam ne kaso yi ragal na monsieur Diamara kaso ak ñeneen ragal na waaye nag loo xam ne dina war a tax yéen ñoo ñu dem kaso Adama Barrow dafa war a so xam duy wan ma ne dafa war a jàngal bi with decency with respect ne nekkuloo buur président rangale and people have the right to say we like Buddha. You cannot prevent people from saying it. And in any democratic country, people have the right to peacefully demonstrate and express either their disagreement or their support for any particular. So, Lord Tartan, if I said threat to kill you, it's a threat to kill you. You should have been killed. And that should not be enforcement. That should not be was taken by the Congress meeting. Why you have the we all yet is no market together. You demand for the franchise. You extend to the country. Suppose, if you have a